Hey on Fish, welcome to the show. I had my Pocket 3 under 6 months, and it came out in November 2023, and a lot has happened, and yeah, and we're still with You Got It. So how good is a company that doesn't really want to take care of the little things, and they think it's quite the norm? Nobody out there wants to see change. We ask, and not many will come forward and want you. Oh man, what landed on my glasses? Is that a ladybug? Yeah, man. Nobody likes to see change. They just want to go out there and have fun. So I'm going to go out there and have fun. Look, I don't even have face track on for the reason of if I go a little further over here, it's going to stop working. But I could go all the way around over here and it'll work. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Get on the bike. Always got to adjust you to the way I want. And hopefully my background won't be bokeh. I am Fish, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come.